Have you ever wondered if we're truly alone in the universe? I know I have. And now, thanks to NASA's Perseverance rover, that question just got a lot more interesting. Perseverance has been rolling across the dusty surface of Mars, exploring a place called Jezero Crater. Why Jezero? Because billions of years ago, it was an ancient river delta, a perfect spot where water and maybe life once thrived. Now, scientists have found something jaw-dropping in the rocks Perseverance collected. I'm talking about complex organic molecules, specifically thioether and thiophene. These might sound like science fiction, but on Earth, they're often tied to living things. Of course, they can also be made by non-living processes, volcanic activity, or even lightning strikes. But here's what makes this discovery so exciting. On Earth, when we see these molecules in rocks, they usually mean life was, or is, around. But hold up. Does this mean there's life on Mars? Not quite, at least not yet. The real story is a bit more nuanced and, honestly, way more exciting for science lovers like me. These molecules are what scientists call potential biosignatures. Basically, they're chemical clues that sometimes point to life, though not always. That's why Perseverance's discovery is such a big deal. For the first time, we're finding these kinds of molecules in a place on Mars that was once rich with water. It's like finding a piece of the puzzle, but not quite seeing the whole picture yet. The analysis shows complex chemical signatures in these ancient rocks, including these distinctive nodules and reaction fronts, each telling a story about ancient chemical processes on Mars. Sites like Cheyava Falls and Apollo Temple have become crucial study areas, as Perseverance methodically explores this ancient landscape, finding that each location has its own unique chemical fingerprint. But the big question remains, are these signatures from ancient life or just the result of complex geology? That's what makes this discovery so compelling for researchers. So what happens next? Here's where things get really cool. NASA's planning the Mars Sample Return mission. That means the rock samples Perseverance has been collecting could be flown back to Earth in the next decade. Only then can scientists truly dig in, using all our best lab equipment to find out if these molecules are leftovers from ancient Martian microbes, or if they formed without life at all. For now, this discovery, published in Nature, is a huge leap forward. It shows just how important Perseverance's mission is, not just to understand Mars, but to explore that age-old question, are we alone? Whether these molecules are a sign of life or just a chemical coincidence, one thing's for sure, Mars just got a whole lot more interesting. And honestly, I can't wait to see what we find next. Stay curious. The universe has plenty more secrets to share. If you found this exploration of space and science fascinating, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more cosmic discoveries. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next report from the cosmos.